Welcome yourselves back to a new video. I'm fishing today with a chatterbait and a 10-inch power worm made by Berkeley. It's very windy, so I'm gonna go ahead and apologize for the wind noise, but this should help us a little bit. But it is a scorcher today. It is, I think, pushing 95, and it'll be 99 later on in the day. So yeah, let's hopefully catch a bass or two, and let's do it. Stupid people doing stupid things 2018 edition, casting straight into the wind. Whammo. He's casting into the wind again. Oh, okay. Little backlash, but I mean, I'll take it. I just had something hit it. Wow. Got one. No. Got him.
Need help?
No, I think I got him. Oh yeah. He's coming right in. I'll just do this.
Good one.
There you go. First fish of the day. Oh yeah. First cast over there. Oh yeah, he choked it. Ah, wasp. In the net. Wasp is in the net. Ah! That was so cool. Did you see that?
Heard it.
He literally jumped out of the water to get this. What has he got on him?
Oh, the net.
That's a good one.
You had a 9-pounder.
No, I saw him. He literally.
He's going.
I know. I can feel him. Just right here.
Yeah, maybe they are.
Yeah, they definitely are. 2 casts back to back. Oh, he's a good one.
You got it.
Oh, he's coming under the. Here you go. He's gonna get off. Just get on. There you go. Good one.
Hold on. That rubber's awesome. It doesn't catch.
Nope.
What do you think about flapper?
There we go. Number 4.
You know what?
Big one.
Yeah, it is. Holy cow.
Yeah, that's a good one. There you go. That's a good one. Bring him in. Oh yeah. Oh wow. He's a big one. Bring him up a little bit more. There we go. Got him. Hello.
Yeah, you put it right.
489.
It's a good one.
You got him. Just go. Bam, bro. You suck. Yeah. That's what we're fishing right now.